babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rosie once again. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking in, and let's get pretty. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to style an afro wig. I will leave the link of the Afro Crochet Wig on the description box. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video and get to learn something that you can do so quick and attend a meeting or go for a job application or go for a job interview, yeah. And guys, for business inquiries, please you can email me. I'll leave my email in the description box, and for any support you can also do the same. I'll really appreciate. And also follow my Instagram page. I go by Miss Rosie Wigs KE. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you're going to look fabulous. I hope I taught you something on how to stay on a budget with your hair looking so cute. Bye guys, see you next time.